Hello GBC world, welcome to another great ball contraption video. Today I'm introducing you to my Phoenix module. It is basically a stepper, but I guess the mechanism hasn't been seen before on GBC. I got the idea from Bloco de Ideas, who introduced this mechanism in this video. I'll leave a link to the video in the description. Many thanks for sharing. The stepper does not go up and down evenly, but both quite quickly. Here you can see how the longer lift arm lifts the stepper, and then the stepper is held in place by the angled lift arm. The shorter lift arm releases the same angled lift arm, which causes the stepper to fall down. It is all driven from the same axle. It is also important to slow down the stepper when it falls down. For this reason, I put a shock absorber on both sides of the stepper. The rubber studs on the bottom are important, otherwise the module will walk across the table. Thanks to Christoph for this hint. I left a link to his YouTube channel in the description. The input box holds 30 balls, but as you can see, balls can sometimes get left behind. In a loop, this is usually not a problem, as the balls in the module are transported faster than one ball per second. I called the module Phoenix for two reasons. The symmetrically arranged mechanisms on the sides look like the wings of a bird. And the stepper itself goes up and down as quickly as a phoenix, rising from the ashes and burning again. Maybe someone will build a nice bird head for this module. Here are some details of the mechanism. Thank you for watching and please consider subscribing.